Thank you for choosing a Mitsubishi electric inverter. In this video, we will explain how to set up the Mitsubishi Electric FR A800 general purpose inverter. First, open the box and remove the FR A800 inverter. Then, make sure all the contents are there. Next, we will install the inverter in an enclosure. Avoid places with direct sunlight, high temperatures, or humidity. Firmly attach it with the screws to a sturdy, non-flammable surface so that it is perpendicular to the floor. This completes the instructions for unpacking and installing the inverter.